Okay, I think we are live. So just wait a minute. Okay. Just wait a minute. We will start in 2 seconds. 2 minutes. Just okay. Okay, I think everything is fine. सो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। तो यार वैसे ही वीडियो बहुत दिनों बाद आ रही है, और वो भी जो आई है डायरेक्ट लाइव ही आई है। ओके, तो क्या है कि आज से ना हम इस चैनल पे अपने सिर्फ कोडिंग वगैरह की वीडियोस ही लाएंगे। और आज से हम शुरू करते हैं एक रिएक्ट का डैशबोर्ड बनाना, ठीक है। और ये हम डैशबोर्ड बनाएंगे जो कि है एड्रो चैनल है, उन्होंने बनाया हुआ है। तो उस वीडियो को हम देख के वो पूरा डैशबोर्ड इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे। ओके, तो बस एक बार बता दीजिए कि आवाज़ वगैरह सब सही आ रही है या नहीं। ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को। और हाँ, सो प्लीज़ चेक आउट एड्रोस चैनल एंड हिट सब्सक्राइब. He published very great videos and you definitely like it. Okay, so
hey guys, this is Edro. Today we are going to be building this entire
Wow.
React admin dashboard from scratch. It'll be a
Great.
fully fledged complete app using enterprise level industry standard packages. What we're going to start off with is we're going to start by building these data tables using the amazing Material UI data grid, which is fully customizable, has lots of options, and you can customize it to whatever you want to do. So if you take a look, we have all these, we have different access levels, so we can put
managers,
customize different parts of
users,
the row and the data. We can make checks as well. We can go in, we can have our own columns, we can
columns,
change the columns. The users can go in, find whatever columns they want. They can filter it by, let's say, age 42, and now they can have items of filtration right there. You can remove that. You can change the density. You can go
expand
pack, comfortable. You can even export as well. Then we can go to invoice balances. We can have the checks as well, and you can put different pieces of data as well. And you can do so much with this data grid table. After that, we're going to go to our profile form, which is a fully fledged form, and we're going to be using Formic and Yup validation to achieve this compliment. This is also going to have validation right out of the box, so make it so easy for us to change. So anytime you touch it, you go out, you have required validation. And then you also have email. If you don't put the proper email, you're going to have correct, incorrect
validation.
Validation for invalid
That's
emails.
correct.
And it's the same thing with numbers. If it's not correct, it's going to tell you.
Address.
Then we can go to our calendar app.
Wow,
this is an amazing
that's great
app as well. This is
look very
awesome.
awesome.
Full calendar, and we are going to be able to add events. You can add the event.
Wow.
It'll pop up here. You can move these events as well.
Great.
You can even delete the events.
That's
go back.
Amazing,
and
man.
The week, day, and the list view as well.
That's great.
And from here, we can go to the FAQ page, and this is the React accordion or Material UI accordion that you can use, so you can create any type of frequently asked questions page. And then finally, we're going to use a library called Nivo, which is an amazing chart library that you can customize to any kind of need, and it out of the box looks very nice. So we have a bar chart, we have a pie chart, line chart, and a geography chart. These are incredible looking charts, and I highly recommend these packages for this application. Finally, we are going to be putting it all together and building a complete dashboard with charts and information using Material UI and React. I'll show you how to build this setup with the CSS grid, and we also will be able to change from dark mode to light mode and vice versa. And I'll show you how to structure your theme to easily modify and have ready to use colors and typographies. This tutorial will be dedicated to both beginners who are looking to practice their project building skills or who want to place this into your portfolio for future employers. And
Great.
also, this video is dedicated to more experienced developers who are looking to build a dashboard using enterprise level industry standard packages. As an industry expert and a front-end tech lead, I will be teaching you React and React context about best practices and how to architect a proper React file folder structure like a true professional. Now let's get
That's
started
great.
coding by opening up a new directory.
Okay.
So-
Okay. So let's first let's create a folder and open the VS Code. Where is my VS Code? Here is my VS Code. And now option, open folder, go to desktop, create a new project, live sessions. Inside this folder. Okay, now we are inside our folder. Okay, just wait a minute. Split it in half. In theater mode. Yeah, I think that's look great. Okay.
In VS Code, you can use whatever code editor you prefer, but I highly recommend VS Code.
VS Code.
If you go into the extension section, you can install something called Prettier,
Yeah,
which
I also
formats your
have.
code
So
automatically in a very nice to easy.
I already have
style.
yes, Prettier.
So if you ever see
extension,
any
so-
changes that are happening on screen when I'm saving it, that's because Prettier is automatically formatting the code. And from
Great.
here, I'm going to go into my terminal and I'm going to write npx create
React app
space. I'm going to call it React admin.
admin.
So
Okay, so this command npx create react app is used for creating a new React project. So and the React admin is the name of our project. Okay, so npx create react app is used to create a new React app. Okay, and React admin is the name of our application. So just hit enter, and based on your internet connection, everything will start. Okay, now continue.
Create React app automatically creates the boilerplate template that we need for React.
That's
so it'll
great.
set up everything for us. So let's wait
Yeah.
till that finishes. All right, once that's installed, I'm
Okay.
going to change into the directory of the folder we just created,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm going to open that up into a new window.
Okay. Okay.
Here, I'm going to install Material UI. So if you go to the Material UI website, they
Mhm.
have a link over here, but I'll type it in for you just in case you don't want to go to the website. So I'm going to
Okay.
write npmi@mui/material @emotion
Add emotion.
/react
React.
@emotion/style. And then
Okay, so here we are going to use material UI. So just go to material UI, and this is the first section. Go to docs, material UI. Here's installation. So here is this command. Okay, so don't need to worry about the typing the command. We just copy it from here and paste it. Okay, so let's our project is now built. So go inside the open the VS Code in our React admin. Okay, now remove this. Okay, so everything works fine. Now just copy this and paste. Okay, what's the mean? They can say the command is npm install miui/material @emotion/react and emotion style day. Okay,
Then from there, we're going to install the data grid, which is the table of Material UI, which is
okay,
bundled separately, so we have to add this one separately. So at MUI/x-data-grid.
Great. Okay.
And also we're going to add the icons that Material UI have, and this is also separate from the main package. So
Okay.
MUI/icons/material.
Material. Okay.
And then we're also going to add React router. So we're going to add React router, DOM at 6.
6. Okay.
Then we're also going to add a React Pro sidebar. So
React
this is a
Pro
package
sidebar.
that allows us to create a sidebar easily. And then also we're going to add Formic, which is the
Formic.
form library,
Mhm.
and Yup as the validation library. And then
Okay.
finally, and from there I'm going to be installing Full Calendar, which is the package library for our calendar app. Then we're going to go to the Full Calendar Docs website, and they have
Mhm.
quite a bit of packages that they have to install. So I'm going
Okay.
to write that down all for you. So at Full Calendar
Okay, so-
/core, at Full Calendar /daygrid for the daygrid view, at
Okay.
Full Calendar /timegrid for
Time grid.
at Full Calendar /list for the list view.
Okay.
And finally, we're going to add the Nevo charts. So if I go to the Nevo charts, the way
Mhm.
this works is that you go to Nevo, you can add whatever charts you want to. You're going to have to go in and add each one separately.
Separately.
So
Okay.
you're going to have at Nevo /core and at Nevo / whatever chart that you want. So here we're going to add a few of the libraries. So we're going to do at Nevo /core,
/core.
at Nevo
Nevo
/pi,
pi.
at Nevo /line, at Nevo /bar, at
Okay.
Nevo /geo. So these are all the packages we are going to be installing. And then once those are
Okay.
installed,
So
so these are all the
we already installed some basics Material UI packages. So let's write npm I. So yeah, I means the I is the short form of install. Okay, so don't be worried about. Then we have to use the package of Material UI, that the package name is xDataGrid. xDataGrid. Then we have to import the icons material. Okay. MUI icons /material. Then we have to React router DOM, and the version is at the rate 6. Then we have user React Pro sidebar. Okay, React Pro sidebar. Then we have to use the Formic. So Formic is basically used for the building the form, and Yup is used for building the our form validation. Okay. Then we have calendars. So they said the full calendar. Check the spelling of CLENDAR/core. Then we also have to implement the daygrid, full calendar /daygrid. Then we have time grid /time grid. Then we have also list. Okay, list. Then we have Nevo, and the package is pi. So we use all this package now for displaying the different type of charts like pie chart, line chart, bar chart, and geo chart. Okay, so I think all this clear, and if you have any doubt, you can put all your doubts in the comment section. Okay. Okay, till the install, just continue with
the
our
packages
video.
we are going to be installing. And then
Okay.
once those are installed, we're going to go to our source directory, and we're going to be
Mhm.
deleting some files. So we're going to be
Okay.
deleting setup tests, report web vitals, logo SVG, app.test.js, and app.css.
Okay. Okay.
Delete all those. Then we're going to go to index.js. We're going to be deleting the last
This.
tag. We're going to be
Okay.
deleting report web vitals. Save that. We're going to go and delete our header.
Okay, so I think I mentioned the wrong time grid MIUI. Oh, it's not MIUI, it's full calendar. Okay, so npmi @full calendar / time grid. Okay, so just check the it also provide the GitHub. Okay, so here's our GitHub. Just first check all the packages version, because sometimes the packages will update and we are not able to build this. Okay, so okay, so now I think what we have, there are many calendars. Okay, just run it again and full calendar. Okay, also there are many packages that are not installed yet. Okay, so we have emotions, style D, full calendar core, take grade, they all are not installed yet. Okay, so just wait for a few minutes and then we will continue with our video. Okay, and not yup, formic, they are not also installed. Okay, so just wait for the minute. Okay, now that's great. I think we all the packages will successfully install now. So React style D, we have core, we have day grid. Okay, I think it's another. Then we have list. The version list is it's 6.0.1. We have 5.11.3 and data grid 5.17. Niveau charts. React chart JS2. Okay, I think we will continue with this. And React Pro sidebar 0.7.1. React Pro sidebar. Okay, so now just reinstall this for the base version 7.1. React Redux. I think we also didn't mention the React Redux. Okay, yeah, I think I skip many things. Yup, formic, React DOM. I think Redux I'm not installing.
So
Okay, just go for Niveau, React Router, formic. Okay, so we will, I think all these sections are, so just give one more time npmi and we are ready to go. Okay, so I think all these packages are used over the time. Okay,
/g.
so every
So these are all the
installation is done.
packages we are going to be installing. And then once those are installed, we're going to go to our source directory and
Go
we're
to
going to be
source
deleting some
directory.
files. So we're going to be deleting setup tests,
Okay,
report web vitals, logo SVG,
logo SVG.
app.test.js, and app.css.
Okay,
Delete all
Alright.
those. Then we're going to go to
Delete.
index.js. We're going to be deleting the last tag. We're going to delete report web vitals. Save that. We're going to go and delete our header, like so, and delete app CSS and logo information imports. And from here, we're going to make a few changes. We're going to change the uppercase A class name to lowercase. And we're going to go to index.js, and we're going to import browser router from React Router DOM.
Okay, so now we are using the React.
This will allow
routing
us to
method.
use React Router
okay.
and set up routes.
Okay.
We're going to wrap our app around browser router. From here, we're going to go to our index.css file around browser.
Okay, so in this line, what we are doing, we are importing browser router, you can see, and it automatically import from React Router DOM. Okay, so now we have to just bind it across on the top of our app. We have browser router. Okay, browser router. Okay, now everything's looks fine.
From here, we're going to go to our index.css file.
Okay,
And we're going to go to Google Fonts.
okay.
So this is a place where you can find a lot of Google fonts that are free to use. And we're going to search up a font called Source Sans Pro. This is a very nice sans serif font that's an alternative to Roboto and Open Sans, but it's very convenient. So we're going to go down. We're going to add a regular 400,
Okay,
600,
600
and 700.
and 700.
And we're going to go to the @import.
Import. Okay, so now go to Google Fonts. Okay, then we have to search fonts, Roboto. We are going to use OBS as Crest.